Hello, Indian women in Dubai. If you can see me, if you can hear me, can you please say a big hello? So that we know we are audible, we are visible, the light is okay. I can see people joining us. Hey Poonam. Poonam, can you say hello if this is visible, this is audible? Girls, we are live today from the studios of Rent Your Wardrobe. This is a new concept which we introduced to all of IWD a few days ago, and the response has been amazing. So Mamta and Chaya from the team of Rent Your Wardrobe said, why not we come live and we talk to you about what the whole concept is all about. We're going to spend the next 40 minutes talking to the team, talking about the idea, how it came across, and knowing more that what is this concept of Rent Your Wardrobe. You know, we all have to go out, we all have to meet our friends and family. Thanks to Dubai, amazing COVID protocols, I think things are getting better and looking better. We need all of us women need clothes for office, for casual wear, for parties. And here is a solution which is very, very budget friendly. At the same time, it makes sure that we all look trendy in the latest fashion. So I'm joined today by Mamta, who's the founder of Rent Your Wardrobe, and by Chaya, who's the vice president of Rent Your Wardrobe. And today we're going to spend the next 40 minutes talking to the team about the whole concept. In fact, I should just add right now, if I'm looking nice, just say hi. I'm actually wearing one of the latest office wear clothes of Rent Your Wardrobe, and I'm loving this. You know, I'm told yellow is the in color. So loving my look right now. So if you like my look, can you say hello? And say it looks nice. We have more than 45 girls online, so love it. Hey, hi Neha. Hi Hiti, how are you? I think I'm going to start first with Mamta, and I'm going to ask Mamta a question that how did she think about this idea of Rent Your Wardrobe? It's a very, very new company. It launched very recently, and at IWD I'm very proud of the fact that we're working with them to bring this concept to all of IWD and introduce it to all of you. And so I'll hand it over now to Mamta, and she's going to tell us the whole idea, the whole inspiration about Rent Your Wardrobe.
Hi girls. Hi. So as our beautiful Rima asked this question that what inspired me to start this business. Okay. So let me tell you, being a woman, I was always greedy, you know, to wear, to try all sorts of clothes, all the styles, wherever I go. I just wanted to buy everything, but you know, there are restrictions. We can't buy everything, right? So what can be done? I always used to question myself. How can I wear all these dresses? I mean, obviously, I want to try everything. I don't want to restrict myself to only one particular style. So these are the questions, you know, those always inspired me to think, to explore more, like how can we do it? So, and one more addition, I would say thanks to this thing, my travel to different countries, my stay, being a trailing spouse, I stayed in different countries. So there I saw this idea is really working, which I'm actually thinking it's really working. So I thought when I moved here in Dubai, I thought, why can't we have such ideas here? I mean, obviously we are here in Dubai, which is a glamour world and a lot of parties, everything, events. Why can't we have such digital wardrobe where we all can access multiple styles rather than keeping only few styles in our own personal cupboard? So that was the idea behind. And yes, I am once again I want to say thanks to your love and support, because I've been receiving so many queries, so much of love and support to this idea, and I am trying every day to get something better. Yeah, over to Rima.
Thank you so much. I think it's a great idea. We all agree, IWD, don't we? If you can see us, if you can hear us, can you please say a yes? So that I know we are both, Mamta and I, our audience had a, you know. And so just want to make sure we are audible, visible, and you like my dress. Girls, stay tuned to this live, because we are going to go around their studios and we're also going to see some of the best outfits that you can rent from them, and they'll be yours next week if you decide to sign up. So we talked. So Mamta introduced the concept. She's traveled a lot, and this concept exists, and it has been proven to work in a lot of countries. And Rent Your Wardrobe gives us the flexibility of having the latest clothes, the latest trendiest fashion, at a price which is pocket friendly and helpful to all of us. But talk about circular fashion, Mamta. What is that? Let's talk about that a little bit.
So let me take you to the journey. Basically, there are technical terms now people are using, but trust me, in India, if you go back and just recall your childhood, our mom, aunt, everyone used to do that. I mean, exchanging clothes with each other, obviously. So the latest name for this concept is circular fashion, which again I would say circular fashion means obviously one is buying, one is wearing it, and again passing it to someone else, some other business, and that is called pre-love. And of course then it's circulating, basically a cycle which is they are completing. And sustainable fashion. What do you mean by sustainable fashion? Sustainable fashion means that we are not just buying and hoarding. We are circulating, we are trying to use the maximum life of that cloth. Because generally what happens, we buy, obviously, and we wear it like 5, maximum 10 times. And then after 10 times, what you do? Maybe some, being female, we have so many challenges. Sometimes it's a hormonal issue, sometimes it's some other issue. We gain weight, we lose weight, some or the other issue, and we find our clothes lying in a cupboard and we can't wear them. Sometimes it's out of fashion, courtesy fast fashion, so we can't wear them. So what can be done? I mean, in that case, what can you do? So if there are few platforms which are available in this way, where you can actually save your money and time, of course, and use this fast fashion in a sustainable way. So my concept is basically focusing on this part, that we can be in fashion, definitely. At the same time, we are saving our money and time both, and using those clothes in a sustainable way. Because obviously when one person is, okay, tell me one thing. If I ask you a question, when you buy one dress, I mean any small dress, forget anything, any big dress, I mean, you buy one dress and when you wear it for the first time, you are so confident, you feel so good about it, you do makeup, you buy accessories matching along with that, and you do everything with that dress. But at the same time, when you wear that dress second time or third time, what do you do? Would you repeat this practice? No, I know that. So we would not. And after 5 times, we think, it's so boring. No, I'm not gonna wear it again. So, okay. So now we have solution. You don't need to buy again. You don't need to keep it with you. You don't need to wear it again. Just wear it, flaunt it, keep it. That's it, done. So that's the idea.
Great. I love the idea, and I think I am a big champion of sustainability, and I'm sure a lot of us watching this live will also like the idea of all of it being sustainable, and going back to our age-old roots of how mummies used to have circular fashions also. But can I get a yes if you would all like sustainability in your wardrobe? You are wearing new dresses, but you are also contributing back to the environment in a sustainable way. Can I get a quick yes if you are a champion of that cause? I love it personally because there's so many dresses in our wardrobes which just keep sitting there. How many of you have a dress which you've worn only once and you've not worn it again? Say yes, and let's be honest, girls. Do you have a dress in your wardrobe which you've worn only once, or probably not even worn? Yeah. So yeah. Okay. Yes, I can see yes from Jaya. I can see yes from Gitanjali. So Gitanjali, you're saying you have a dress in your wardrobe which you've probably not worn or worn only once, right? So that is why I love this concept of Rent Your Wardrobe. You can rent a dress which you can wear once or twice or a couple of times, and then you don't need to think about wearing it all over again. So that's awesome, right? Oh, Vidisha saying so many. You're like me, Vidisha. There's so many. So Jaya says 2 times. So I have got a solution to all these people saying yes, you need to call the team from Rent Your Wardrobe after this call, after this My Life gets over, and ask them for dresses in your sizes. Now, I'm going to move over to Chaya. Chaya is sitting right next to me, and I think if you call Rent Your Wardrobe, you're all going to be interacting with her. But I want to ask Chaya one question. Chaya, why do you think renting is better than buying dresses?
Sure. Hi girls, really nice to see you all again. Thank you, Rima. And it's a great opportunity for us to put across our new concept. And like Rima, we all know, we all love to buy. This is this concept of buying, and this is my cloth, this is mine, it's sitting in my wardrobe. This feeling is always there with us as a woman. But things have changed a lot, especially post this whole COVID thing. And even for anything that you want to invest money, or you think twice, is it worth doing it? And also, like when I'm saying about this whole subscription concept, why buy? Why don't you just rent? Trust me, the price that we are trying to give you, like especially for the IWD women, 199 200 dirham, we are trying to give you 5 dresses. And whoever has access to our costume, our dresses, they know. I mean, Rima is wearing now the product quality. We have not compromised. We have not compromised on a fit. We have not compromised on a sizing. We are trying our best to, give you something which is like really 40 dirham. You guys are going out for a kitty party. You guys are going out with your family on a evening. You're going out with, on a vacation. Imagine you're getting 40 dirham, a beautiful dress, which is even worth more than that, which is like even 200 dirham, 100 dirham, 250 dirham. I mean, I just don't want to give a price, but trust me, we are actually trying to source these products from different countries like Turkey, Europe, Italy, India, China, all these places, from the homegrown designers. We are giving more prominence to those homegrown designers rather than just walking into any brand and just picking up. So for me, subscription is always better. Renting is always better than buying, because I am investing 200 dirhams, 299 dirham, 300 dirham, bringing that, wearing for an occasion. Also, as we all are being so social about, going on Instagram, taking photos, posting, and, attending kitty parties, going everywhere, you don't want to even repeat your clothes. You feel like, why should I repeat? Today I wore this, next day I just can't wear the same. So this is a place for you guys to come, reach out to us. We are very happy to serve you. You can see this concept coming up with such an affordable subscription where you don't need to invest.
Love it. I love the concept. If you love the concept, can you say a yes? So I feel renting is better than buying. बिकॉज फर्स्टली एक तो हमारे वार्डरोब में जगह नहीं होती है. आई थिंक मेरे वार्डरोब में नहीं है, आपके वार्डरोब में है तो बताओ. And I think secondly, the prices works out really cheap. And thanks to the team from Rent Your Wardrobe, they are giving us 50% off. That's awesome, IWD. Like, you need to start your subscription now. The offer is valid for only until 31st of July. They're giving us 50% off. For 199, you can rent 5 dresses. And I want all of you to do that and tag IWD and Rent Your Wardrobe when you wear those dresses. I'll repost it for all of you. I have a question, Chaya.
Yeah.
Abhi COVID hai, and I am scared about safety, hygiene, security. And it's probably a question not only on my mind, but on a lot of the audience's mind also, right?
Sure.
That what are the precautions you as a team are taking to make sure everybody receives a very hygienic product?
Sure. Yeah, once again, I'm back. We completely understand the concerns of you all, about the COVID, the hygiene, irrelevant whether COVID is there or not there, when we are renting out, obviously, it's circular fashion. So we have ensured, we have tied up with big laundries, where they take a complete COVID checkup in terms of sanitizing, in terms of washing, in some terms of dry cleaning. We are ensuring the minute it comes out from the customer, it goes and directly reaches to the laundry. It gets completely washed, sanitized, and all the precautionary measures that we need to take, and then only it enters into our office and to our showroom. So we are ensuring that every single piece is going through a complete COVID the requirement that is there for the product, and so there's no issues at all. And I also want to say that the subscription that we are offering you can retain them for 1 month, which is like $5. You guys can plan your subscription accordingly. Maybe you are a working woman and you want to go for a party, you have a plan to go for a vacation, you have a plan to go, you have a business meeting, so you can plan, combine a party wear, combine a business wear, combine a casual wear. You can plan the way you want all the 5 dresses, or you are most welcome to take everything in the party and you can enjoy and freak out that whole month wearing your party dresses. So this is something which is really nice, and we really are happy to sell this concept to you guys, and I hope you ladies will enjoy it.
Love it. I like the fact, girls, kapde pehno and dry cleaning ki tension is Chaya's tension, yeah. So you don't even need to dry clean or wash your clothes. The clothes will come to you, delivered personally to you at your homes. You don't need to come and collect them here. You can do all online on their website, ryw.ae. So after this live, everybody is going to go check out their website, ryw.ae. You can select it. You have an IWD special code. Make sure you get the 50% off, and then those dresses will get delivered to your homes. You keep them for a month, wear as many times and wherever you want to wear, whether it's a birthday party, whether it's a kitty party, whether you want to be the smartest dressed in your office. They have a solution for everything. And I think the best part is, now I'm going to go to your website after this, Chaya, but if I register, do I have to pay a registration fees?
No, not at all. The registration is completely free. The reason we've made this registration is because once you get into our website, once you register, it's more easy for you to access any offer that we are coming out, any new arrival we are coming out, and you can enjoy all the facilities on the website that we are giving. So the registration is purely free. There's nothing that you have to pay.
So it's free online retail therapy today, okay? So everybody go check out, register, and I think that just helps them showcase the dresses which are right for your style, essentially. I have one more question. Rent your wardrobe or rent my wardrobe? What's the difference, Mamta? And
Okay. Hi girls, I'm back again. So a lot of people ask me this question, that rent your wardrobe makes them confused that whether we should rent our wardrobe or we should rent your wardrobe. So basically it's both actually. As I mentioned earlier, that we have created this digital wardrobe. That means it's accessible to everyone, right? At the same time, I am actually encouraging you guys to sell your clothes. Sell your pre-loves at the same time. Whatever lying in your cupboard, just lying it for so many years or something, and if it's of no use for you, why can't you just make it circular? Put it in a circular fashion, so probably someone else can enjoy, someone else can get the happiness of wearing that particular dress. So that's what I mean to say, rent your wardrobe. That means one side you are renting, you are not wasting money, you are not adding more clothes to your cupboard. At the same time, whatever lying which is of no use, you can give it to me. I'll make it available for everyone. That's the idea.
I love the idea. Doing a little sound check here. Are we audible? Are we visible? And can you all say a yes if you are liking our discussions? Stay tuned, because we are going to go around their studios and they are going to show us some of the best dresses that you can rent this evening. So can I get a yes if we are audible, we are visible? Pooja says great concept. Sam says it's great. Yeah, Sam, I know your love for dresses. Nilofer says yes. Yes. Shweta has tried this concept, right? So Shweta can speak from experience that they have lovely dresses. I guess we are going to next take a walk around the studio with Mamta and Chaya, and they're going to show us. I would love to show how nicely and neatly they've kept their inventory. I'm a big fan of hygiene and how they've kept it. And then we will I want to show off my dress first. So I never wear yellow, but thanks to Chaya convincing me. If you like my dress, can you say a yes? Yeah. Yes, the website is ryw.ae. I want to keep this session very open, girls. So as we go around the studio, please ask your questions. If you have any doubts on how the concept works, if you have any questions for the team here, I'm sure both of them are very, very happy to answer. So I just asked website name. Website name is ryw.ae. Rent Your Wardrobe is the name of the whole concept. And shall we do a studio tour? Are we ready for the studio tour? Let's go. So there you go. I've turned my camera. Wow, this is the amazing studio tour. Look how the dresses are laid. So Mamta, talk to us about the different sections.
Yes, so we have arranged this product line, I would call it. This is all our long dresses, maxi dresses, mixed party wear, casual, and these are mini dresses. We have formals. We have formals plus 40 formals, which you might have seen me wearing one.
Yes.
And this one is midi section. We have a lot of office wear dresses, which you can actually wear when you have like conference or you have some client meeting. We have lots of fancy tops in this line. We have
Amazing
skirts.
collection.
We have jumpsuits. I somehow really love jumpsuits and play suits we have. And we have some lower bottoms. We have skirts. We have tops. And
Beautiful.
yeah.
So see how nicely and neatly everything is kept. So rest assured, all the COVID protocols and everything is being taken care of. Where is the dress that I wore?
Okay.
This
one.
The black one. Oh, the black one. This is
the halter.
the halter wali. There we go. See this. I think everybody has seen this photo. This is the dress that I wore.
Yeah.
And see, I've returned it and they've dry cleaned it and it's been kept so nicely. And I'm sure everybody has seen my photos in this when we launched it last
We
week.
try to keep it in a bag so
Yes.
that it should not come in contact with dust or anything else.
Yes.
And these are properly dry cleaned, washed as per the washing care instructions. And
Good.
Yes.
I love this. I love it. I mean, I just have a look. I
Yes,
think they
yeah.
have a variety, whether you want mini, maxi, midi, or you want office wear. Lots of blazers here. Everybody can see. Or you want a casual party wear. Everything is there. Shall we go and look at some of your favorite dresses? So follow me, girls. We're going to go look at some of the favorite pieces out here. Show us, Chaya.
Yeah, sure. So I'm just showing you the office wear, the business wear. You know, this is a nice plaid shirts. We have a suit set here. You know, we've ensured like, you know, we get something very fancy which is in trend. So these are very much in trend. You know,
Wow.
printed blazers. You
Yes.
know, you can just pick up the blazer if you already have a nice pant to go with it. You can just wear them. Summer is in. You want to linen. We have nice linen blazers. You know, you can just wear them along with anything that you would love to wear it. We have nice business suit dresses.
I think these are perfect. If you have a big conference, rent these blazers and then you don't need to worry about owning them, right? So you can rent them.
You know, you have also
Wow.
these kind of digital printed dresses.
Beautiful.
with, nice.
And they're all for 40 dirhams, girls. The price that it works out with IWD discount, not otherwise, is 40 dirhams for renting a dress for a month. You can wear them as many times as you want to.
This is Dolce Gabbana print.
Ooh,
this is,
I like
you
this
know,
one.
Printed nice maxi dresses. You can wear these kind of nice casual
Yeah.
dresses, or even, you know, when you're outing with your family, nice evening dresses. These are again your business wear. Color blocks is in trend, you know. Half
Yes.
and half, you know, those are things. So now after Ramadan, now Eid comes, you have holiday season, you want to go on a vacation, wear a nice vacation dress, you have different, I'm just showing you small sizes,
Yeah.
you get sizes. in
Staycation
sizes.
dresses. I think we
Yeah.
should call them staycation dresses.
Yeah, like, you know, these dresses, you want to make it a little more nice, you know, you have
Wow.
these nice lace dresses with a
Beautiful.
bit of sequins, glittery, which you can wear for a vacation, evening,
Beautiful.
whatever you want to.
I love this white one. It's
You
awesome.
have these
Oh,
glittery ones with these mermaid, you know, dresses you call, where you can wear for a party. You have these long flared dress, which you want, you can wear for a party or a
Yeah, next time IWD does that Women in Black party, we know where to
Yeah,
rent it from, yeah?
So these are nice,
Yeah.
dresses, which is again party wear.
Yes.
These are nice, spaghetti top dresses, strappy dresses.
Very nice.
So,
Oh, look at that. Beautiful. I think pastel, the color combination is
pastel
so
color.
good.
I mean, as we said,
So
to you,
summerish.
we are trying our best to bring the fast fashion
Yeah.
in. So you will find all the season colors, season silhouettes
Yes.
which are in fashion.
Yes.
We
So-
are just showing you a small wardrobe of us. You have lot more.
Yeah. This is just a sample, and there's so much more inside that we don't have outside today that you can absolutely see on their website. So, do we have any questions? We are open to questions, girls, if there is any question. But let's go back to the contact details. What's the website we go on, Chaya?
ryw.ae.
Yes.
We have Instagram also, Instagram page, and we have FB page as well. So even if you want to shop on Instagram, Facebook, we have a shop over there, and it navigates you directly to our website also. So where you can browse all our items. We have made it comfortable to the customers like any other e-commerce platform. You can go select your dresses, put it into the cart, register, then select the dresses. You have all the details there, whether you want party, fashion, occasion, casual. Click on that, then it navigates you to the respective dresses, and then you can select, put in the cart, then it comes to us for the requirement. We will reach out to you. We make sure we do a home delivery. We have tied up with a nice logistic company where they come and deliver to your doorstep, and then it gets picked up back. We send it to you in an e-commerce box, neatly packed, ensuring the hygiene is taken care of. Gets packed. We will show you the e-commerce box that we have as well.
Yes.
So where we generally deliver.
Yeah, girls.
This is the
Oh,
box.
look at it.
Because our concept is sustainable, so we are not using any plastic, anything else. We are just using sustainable solutions.
And it has a journey also.
Yeah.
When you open the box, it takes you through the journey of RYW,
How it
customer
works.
journey, how it works. So you have all the information.
So you
here.
choose your plan, and you can choose the different options, but there's an IWD special plan. You select your styles, whether it's party, it's night out, it's casual or office. You get free delivery, it gets delivered to your door. You have fun, get some photos clicked, tag them, tag IWD, and then when it's ready for return, they will get it collected.
Yeah.
So absolutely. We have a question here. Okay, how to sell pre-loved to you?
Okay, so pre-loved section, we have one option, sell your pre-loved. If you go to my website, this ryw.in, you'll find an option called sell your pre-loved at the right side of the corner. So you need to just add your information. You have, if you have images, of course, parallelly, if you are facing any issue, don't worry. You can share your images on our WhatsApp support, and we'll help you uploading, or we'll upload it on behalf of you. So, and then of course, you need to come up with what price points you want, and we'll offer, of course, when we agree on those price points, so we'll get it picked up.
Awesome.
Logistics. So it's nothing to, you need not to run anywhere.
Wow.
Yeah, it's just like few clicks, that's it.
Awesome, that sounds very good. Let me show you the dresses again. Very nice. Any other questions, girls? Can you please bring the mic closer to her?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, she was a little bit far off, but I'll just repeat the concept. If you want to sell your pre-loved dresses, please get in touch with the team. They will help you through the process of where you upload the pictures, how they will agree, and if you both agree on the price that you're selling it all, they will get it collected from your door. So that's how easy it is. So before we go away, I'll just share the WhatsApp number. I'm going to share it on top of the live too, but the WhatsApp number is 055 846 0727. And any last comments from our beautiful ladies here?
Okay, one thing I just want to say that a lot of people think that subscription, when I'm saying subscription, that means you feel that it's kind of a burden or commitment. But trust me, you are not committing to me giving. In fact, you are committing yourself that you are not going to spend more on this part.
Yes.
So I am asking you to commit to yourself. Okay, this is my budget for every month, and in this budget only I'll try everything, and I'll prove that we women can do wonders. We can save money, and we can at the same time we can enjoy. Yes.
Yeah.
Good.
And there is no commitment, girls, that you want to continue it forever. You want to unsubscribe whenever you want. You know, this month you had a commitment, you bought it. I mean, you rented it out with us, and next month you feel like, no, I don't want to subscribe. I'll come back to you after 3 months. You are most welcome.
Yeah.
There is no commitment for you. And we are also, you know, for IWD members, we have also thought, in fact, Mamta was speaking to me yesterday and saying that we will officially, because we, a lot
Yes.
of IWD customers approached us, members
Yes.
approached us asking, can we rent out for one occasion? You know, I
Okay.
have a birthday, I
Yes.
have a, you know, some party, can I? So we said, okay, let's be flexible, you know, we can, if we can make our women happy, why not? You know, so
Awesome.
we are also planning to give that option. But obviously that will have a different price because we are giving you a good discount. So one single piece will have a little different price. But yes, we are flexible doing that as well.
That sounds
See,
awesome.
It's very easy. I mean, if there is an option of unsubscribe your services under your profile. So whenever you feel that okay, I don't want to continue, it's just like, see, I can give you one example. Why do you prefer Netflix? I mean, we used to get movies per movie on rental, but we prefer Netflix because Netflix giving you one shot solution. That means he is giving you access to entire collection of their movies. I'm just giving one example. Don't take it that I'm promoting Netflix. But it's very easy to understand. That's the reason I'm giving this example. So this is how we are trying to do. I am giving you one-stop solution. You need not to go for one dresses. Take like one subscription, and every month you'll be getting multiple styles. You need not to worry about like, okay, now what should I wear for this occasion. And one more thing I want to say, this is women to women talk I wanted to do. And please don't wait for occasion to celebrate. You know, create every day a occasion. Consider it special. Every day is special. Right? Life is very short, yaar. Kal ho na ho.
Yeah.
So live every moment, live in present, please. Enjoy every day, celebrate every day. Every day you have some or the other occasion to celebrate. So don't waste, I would say don't wait for any occasion, and don't think that okay, time will come and then I'll reduce my weight and then I'll wear. Every moment is a good time. Don't wait for that good time. This is what I want to say.
Awesome thinking, yaar. I agree. तीखा बोला किसी ने बोला. Agreed, Bianca. I think we agree. So don't wait to celebrate. I think they have presented a beautiful concept. If you want to try it out, I will leave the details later on the top of the live, how you can get in touch with the team, their contact details, WhatsApp details, Facebook details, their website. It's awesome. And if you have any doubts, you can reach them out to them on WhatsApp. So I'm sure they'll be very quick to reply. I want to show off my dress one last time. Because I love it and I don't wear yellow, and Chaya has made me wear yellow. So if you like my dress and if you are looking for office formal wear, this is awesome and very in this season. So with that, I'm going to say a thank you to all of IWD to watching this live, and I'm really hoping some of you would be impressed with this lovely concept. It's sustainable, it's fast fashion, and it's pocket friendly. Aur kya chahiye yaar? So with that, goodbye IWD. Have a lovely evening, and I'll see you all very, very soon.